Now this is the device stand that I picked up from Amazon. Now I say devices because I think they really say it's for laptops, but I'm not using mine for laptops at all. I'm using it for my iPad and for my Kindle Colorsoft. The reason why I got this is because I was finding that my bedside table was looking really cluttered, and I have my tablet and my Kindle for bedtime. So I wanted to put them somewhere nice, and I thought this looked good. So you get it like flat packed into 3 pieces, but you do get the screws and a very nifty little Allen key with a screwdriver on the bottom of it, and you put it together yourself with just these 2 parts. It'll take a minute. And the good thing is that the screws can go anywhere on the base, so you can make these anywhere that you want. So you can see that the little dashes there. So if you've got a particularly wide device there, you can have it, this maybe this one brought forward to give this central section nice loads of width, or you can make it narrow if you feel that's going to be too floppy for you. It's also got this rubber part in here to give it a little bit of grip so it's not sliding around. I really like the fact that it is adjustable, so you can have it any way that you wish. It's nice and white. I think they had other colours. I think they had grey, but I went for the white. I thought it looked really smart. There's also going to be space there in the front for maybe tucking in things like your AirPods, if you've got any other, I mean, maybe a little remote as well, if that's how you work. But yeah, so, and also my tablet's got a very thick case in it, so it's almost like a laptop. This is my iPad. So I can just pop that there, and I've also got my colour Kindle. I'm just going to pop that there, and that's going to be how I have my bedside set up. Still plenty of space so I can still put my charging cables in there, and if I wanted to put that on charge as well, just pop that to one side and put my charging cable in that side, and let it all charge up overnight, and it just be chilling. I think it's really smart, and there's also a gap between them as well, so if you want to grab one, the one in front's not going to flop over. So yeah, I think it's really good, practical, sensible, and useful as well. So I'm excited about having a little bit of organisation by my bedside, so that I've got a bit more real estate for drinks and snacks and things. So yeah, what a cool little device.